Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to make AI rap songs using Uberduck. Let's get started. First, visit the Uberduck AI and log into your account. And from the dashboard, select Rap Generator to start creating your track. Then here, choose a style preset so Uberduck knows what kind of rap beat or flow that you want to generate. And select voice. Choose a rap voice from Uberduck's library, either a famous rapper, impressions, or AI characters, and type your own lyrics or freestyle lines that you want AI to rap. Keep them short for cleaner flow, especially if you're singing into a beat. And click Generate Rap and wait for a few seconds. Preview your track and tweak if needed, and download it for sharing. And that's how you create AI rap songs in Uberduck. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.